Ayun, good morning. Time check. It is now 1:56 a.m. and we are here at Ayala Avenue para sa isang biglaang race. This is the Army Navy 2026 run. We will be running in the 21 kilometer category, so half marathon. So, ang reason kung bakit ko dino-document to ngayon is because for the first time, we will be running alone. Wala tayong kasama, so kailangan natin ng kausap. Although my wife is with me, she will be supporting me from the car and she'll be waiting for me when I get to the finish line. Ayun. So, ano pa ba? Yun, kasi nga, we used to race together all the time. Sa mga races, lagi kami magkasama. From our countless fun runs to our first few half marathons, all the way to our first full marathon. And yun, ngayon lang ako tatakbo na mag-isa, so kailangan natin ng kausap. Feeling ko naman kaya natin yung distance, ang hindi natin kakayanin is yung inip. Ayun. So, bahala na kung anong kalabasan. Time goal, wala naman. The only goal is to finish 21k and still feel strong. Yung tipong pagkatapos natin ng 21k, kaya pa natin ulit mag-isang 21k. Yun lang ang goal, okay na. Okay, so andito na tayo sa Race Village. Ang race village natin is Ayala Triangle. Yan, for the Army Navy run. The race organizer is Run Rio. So, expected na okay naman kapag Run Rio yung race event organizer. Well, siya yung preferred namin for races. Okay din naman yung iba, pero in terms of organization, parang pinaka-okay sa amin si Run Rio. So, warm up lang tayo.
Welcoming again our 21K runners to the Army Navy Run 2026. After you race, after you run your 21 kilometers, remind yourself that you all deserve that very delicious treat, Army Navy Way! So inspiring and unbelievable, Vince, that the longest category that we have, 21 kilometers, is one of the biggest participation.
Let's go. Approaching BGC. Kilometer 5, feeling strong. Let's go. We are now in BGC. 16 kilometers left. Let's go. $8K. First gel. Konti na lang. Almost halfway there. $10K. Konti na lang. Uphill battle. Let's go. Halfway there. Halfway there. Last 4K. Let's go. Home stretch. Home stretch. Last 100 meters. Let's go. Survived. Thank you, Lord. Naka-survive 21.1 kilometers in under 3 hours. Sarap. Sarap talaga ng route na yun. Sobrang daming tao. Morning po. Salamat po. Hey! morning. Thank you po. We got our loot bags and we got a classic Army Navy burger. Sold na ang almusal. My very supportive wife who came with me alauna ng madaling araw. Yay! Tapos pagdating ko sa finish line may pakape. Yay! Okay, so that's it. Tapos na ang 21.1 kilometers half marathon ng Army Navy Run 2026. Nag-enjoy ako. Super sarap tumakbo. May pa Red Bull, may pa Liberty Iced Tea, may pa Classic Burger. May medal na tayo, may finisher shirt. Ang maganda dito, 6:30 pa lang. Life's good. Tapos maganda pa yung asawa mo. Uwi na! 21K! Woo!